AKINSOFT QR menu tags definitions. In QR menu, you can visually present the specific features of your products to your customers. We can give chef's choice or 100% beef meat as examples. You can make such definitions with the product tags feature. For this, click on the product tags button from the product management list. Click on the Add Product Tag button from the window that opens and add an image related to the tag you created. Then, enter the title for the tag for each language you choose in Firm Profile section. When you're done, click the Save button to save. If you want to edit or delete the tags you have created later, you can do it again from this screen with the Edit and Delete buttons. Click the Products button from the Product Management list to match the tags you created with your products. Click the Add button on the screen that opens, make your selection from the Product Tags field, and click the Save button.